I welcome you to this presentation. We're going to answer this question on the rectangular base light pyramid. Okay, so we have been given this information. Given that PQ is equal to 8 centimeter, QR is equal to 6 centimeter, and SV is equal to PV is equal to QV is equal to RV, which is 13 centimeters. So these lines, all these lines have 80 or have 13 centimeters. So these are slant heights. Then the question is calculate the perpendicular height MV, which is this one, MV. They want us to calculate the perpendicular height of the pyramid. So how are we going to calculate the perpendicular height? Remember, what we have been given is this, and we don't have what? This side. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to calculate to find the we are going to find here the diagonal here. So the diagonal which is passing like this, which is PR. So after calculating the diagonal, then this that's when we will be able to calculate what the height, which is MV. So for us again here to calculate the diagonal, we'll say we are going to use Pythagoras theorem. So here we have PR. So we just say we use here, we have PR squared, okay, is equal to this side here we have we have 8 squared plus 6 squared. This is Pythagoras, this is hypotenuse, so we had these two adjacents or sides. So PR squared is equal to here we have 30 or 64 plus 36. So now when we add this one, we are going to find PR squared is equal to 100. So we are going to have 100, then we find the square root of PR. So here PR is equal to 10 centimeter. So here this length is what? 10 centimeter. Since now we have 10 centimeter, when you divide by 2, so here you find it's 5. So even this side is what? It's 5, because this is the diagonal. So once you cut this line, is cutting this PR perpendicular, and having this, we are going to calculate what? MV. Okay, so how are we going to calculate MV? So there our MV, it's like we have something like this. Okay, we have something like this. Then okay, so here we want MV. Okay, so this is 5 here. Okay, and this side is 13. So we are going to use this method again, which is Pythagoras, to calculate what? MV this side. So we'll say MV, okay, is equal to 13. This is 13 here. Okay, 13 squared minus 5 squared. So here this 13 squared, it's 169 minus this one, it's 25. Okay, sorry, not 24 but 25. So when you find the difference here, we'll say MV squared. So the difference here, we're going to have 144. Then the square root. So our MV is equal to 12 centimeter. So this one had 3 marks. Okay, so we're going to have 12 centimeter. So this is our answer. 12 centimeters our answer. So having this 12 centimeter, it's the height here. It's the height here, which is MV 12 centimeter. Then the volume of the pyramid. So remember the volume of the pyramid. We use this part. Okay, the volume of the pyramid. The volume of the pyramid, which is V, is equal to 1/3 times base area times H. So this is the formula that we are going to use. Then V 1/3, our base area is this one, so we have 8 times 6. This is our base area, which is, we'll say it's times 8 by 6, then times our height here. We've already calculated the perpendicular height, which is MV there. So our MV is what? 12. So here we'll say it's 12. So having this, we'll say this there, it's 1, 3 there. 3 into 12 is what? 4. Then we multiply this on the calculator. What will be our volume? So once you compute this on the calculator, the answer that you are going to have, it's 192 centimeter cube. So this is how you can calculate the volume and also the height of the question of this nature. Okay, thank you for following.